This question was the part of All India 2017 compartment and one of the very good question. Okay, so let's start question number 31. Kanika, Disha and Kabir were partners sharing profit in the ratio of 2 is to 1 is to 1. On 31st March 16, their balance sheet was as under. Trade creditors, EPF and capital of all three partners are given. Normal points are given: bank, debtors, stock, fixed assets. Profit and loss is given here. What does it mean? It is loss. If it is given in asset side, it is loss. What we do? We distribute in capital account debit side. Kanika retired. Okay. Kanika retired on 1st April. For this purpose, the following adjustments were agreed upon. First adjustment. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 2 years purchase of the average profit of 3 completed years preceding the date of retirement, and the profits are given 1 lakh, 1 lakh 30 and 20,000. Fixed assets were to be increased to 3 lakh, it will go in revaluation. Stock was to be valued 120% revaluation. The amount payable to Karnika was transferred to her loan account. It is clear that the partner who is taking retirement, his amount is transferred to loan account. Prepare revaluation capital account of the partners and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. In the question, it is not mentioned that they are changing their ratio. When Kanika takes retirement, tell me the new ratio. When Kanika takes retirement, what is the new ratio? The new ratio is 1 is to 1.
1 is to 1 to 1.
And what is the gaining
1 is to
ratio?
1.
And gaining ratio is also 1 is to 1. Very good, dear children. New ratio is also 1 is to 1. Gaining ratio is also 1 is to 1. So we will start this question with the calculation of goodwill. Okay. Fine. So let us calculate the goodwill. Question, solution number 30. Calculation of goodwill. Okay. So here it is mentioned. Completed 3 years, average profit of 3 years. So 3 years profit are given 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 30,000. And in third year loss is given here 20,000. Here you can check in the balance sheet. How much? 20,000. So how can we take average divided by 3? Children, divided by 3. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 10,000 divided by 3. 70,000. This is average profit. And according to question, it is mentioned 2 years purchase of the average profit is mentioned. So what to do? We need to calculate goodwill of the firm, which is to be computed when we multiply it with 2 years. So what we get? 1 lakh 40,000. This is the goodwill of the firm. We need to calculate Kanika's goodwill. Kanika's share in goodwill. What is Kanika's share in goodwill? Kanika's share was 2 by 4. Okay. So it is 2 by 4 means again 70,000. Who give this 70,000 to Kanika? Who will give? The existing partner, Disha and Kabir. So Disha and Kabir will give this 70,000. Disha and Kabir will give. In which ratio? 1 is to 1. So Disha will give 35,000 and Kabir will give 35,000 in favor of Kanika. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us prepare revaluation account. The question: fixed assets were to be increased to 3 lakh. You can see fixed assets are given here 2 lakh 40,000. It means we need to increase 60,000. When we increase, what to do? Credit side. $60,000. Okay. And then let us see in the next point. Stock was to be valued at 120% and stock is given 1 lakh. So we need to uh, increase up to 120% means 20% is to be increased. It means 20,000 rupees. So buy stock 20,000. Okay. Then let's see another. The amount, okay, all points are over here. So 60 plus 20, 80,000. This 80,000 is to be transferred to partners capital account. To gain, transfer to partners capital account. Kanika, Disha and Kabir. Kanika, Disha and Kabir, and their ratio was 2 is to 1 is to 1. When we divide 80,000 into 2 is to 1 is to 1, 80,000 divided by 4, 20,000. 22 ja, 40,000. 21 ja, 20,000. 21 ja, 20,000. We get these value 40, 20, 20. I hope this is clear to everyone. A revaluation account. Okay. Then what to do? We need to prepare partners capital account of Kanika, Disha and Kabir. Kanika, Disha, Kabir. Kanika, Disha and Kabir. Capital account starts from which side? Capital account starts from credit side. Why balance brought down? Let us see their capital. Capital is 2 lakh, 1 lakh 80,000. 2 lakh, 1 lakh 80,000. Okay. Now let us see the profit. Profit is 40, 20, 20. By revaluation account, 40,000, 20,000 and 20,000 is transferred to them. And then the treatment of goodwill we have done. So Kanika will get 70,000. Okay. So Kanika will get 70,000, 35,000 from D and 35,000 from Kabir. So we write here by Disha's capital account and we write here by Kabir's capital account. And we need to subtract it from their capital account also. We need to debit to Kanika's capital account. Okay. To Kanika's capital account. 35,000 will be deducted from Disha and 35,000 will be deducted from Kabir. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us see if there is any reserves. EPF is not distributed. This profit and loss will definitely will be distributed 20,000. Okay, which is given in balance sheet. So we need to distribute. Where to distribute? Loss will be debited in partners capital account. We write here to profit and loss account. 20,000 we need to distribute into 2 is to 1 is to 1. So 20,000 divided by 4, 5,000, 5 2 ja, 10, 5 1 ja, 5 and 5 1 ja, 5,000. Okay. Let's see, all points are over. Yes, revaluation, goodwill, two main treatments are over. And yes, profit and loss is distributed. Everything is over, children. Now simply we need to do the total and take out the balance. Yes, please do the total fast. 80 plus 20, 1 lakh. 1 lakh plus 20. Okay. 2 lakh 40. 2 lakh 40 and 70. 3 lakh 10,000. This is the total. 3 lakh 10,000. 1 lakh 20,000 and 1 lakh. What we do first? First we take out balance of retiring partner. So who is going? Kanika. So Kanika's loan account. 3 lakh 10 minus 10. 3 lakh. Is that clear? And then Disha and Kabir. Two balance carried down. Calculate 1 lakh 20 minus 40, 80,000. Balancing figure. 1 lakh minus 40, 60,000. Balancing figure. I hope this is clear to everyone. Balance sheet. So in the question, it is mentioned Employees Provident Fund, and there is no change in Employees Provident Fund. EPF, I am writing, that is 47,000. Then there is no change in creditors, that is 53,000. And then Kanika's loan we have computed. Kanika's loan we have computed 3 lakh. And capital of Disha and Kabir we need to write. Capital of Disha is 80,000. Just now we have computed. And Kabir's capital is 60,000. Total is 1,40,000. Let us prepare asset side also. In asset side, according to question, bank is given 60,000. There is no change in the bank. Then debtors. Again, debtors will come 60,000. Then stock. Also stock will come 1,20,000. And then one more point is given in the balance sheet, that is fixed assets. And fixed asset is 3 lakh. So let us do the total. Total of liability side is 5,40,000, and total of asset side is also 5,40,000. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Yes, children. Thank you. Thank you very much.